Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome to this episode of Building Things with Lego. We're finishing up the Speed Champions Porsche 919 Hybrid and 917K builds. Just building the cars. That's what I collect. I don't want the pit stop parts, so I've got a bucket of extras. So let's go ahead and build the 919 Hybrid. I love all the decals on this kit. I also love the red interior, and all in all, gorgeous build. If you get a chance to pick it up, grab it, build it, have fun with it. For now, Mr. Johns is